Alrighty, so that's us done. Let me zoom you guys out. Once your hair is teased, this is what it looks like. Hello, 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 hello. Now it's time to have some fun with this hair. It's the next day. I've got my iced coffee. Oh my god, the sip of your first iced coffee or your first caffeinated drink of the day, unmatched. So this is a hair. This is how I slept with it. I just put it up using a silk scarf, and this is what it looks like the next day. So I want to show you a few styles that you can do on this hair, and that way, you know, you look cute. So let's have some fun. So I need to take this down. This hair is getting tangled, I will say. She is tangling a little bit more than I would like, but it's aight. It's aight. It's synthetic hair, so expected. So there we go. So the first hairstyle is obviously just good old, just like that, like a middle part. And this is hairstyle number 1. My strap keeps falling, like behave. So this is hairstyle number 1. This is the first hairstyle. I could also just do a middle part, a side part, not a middle part. This is for the millennials. Yay. Fluff it out, make it look kind of cute. Never be afraid to keep cutting. This is probably why one of my sides is shorter. I should also probably get hair shears, but so this is a side part. Next, I'm going to play with a little bit of holding this up. Oh, it's kind of itchy. I'm going to find a way to, maybe I should do that. Okay, let's pin the front a little bit. That way it's out of our hair. So I'm just going to take this section of hair, kind of pin it back like that. Okay. Kind of like that, kind of like that. It's quite a lot of hair, so I'll just do my best. Pin this in place. Fluff it out gently. Don't forget to work the front. I'm being really gentle with this, by the way. I'm not like brushing my edges into extinction. You don't need to do that. That is another hairstyle. This keeps the hair out of your face. Then we move on to the next hairstyle. If I can find these bobby pins. There we go. All right. So I'm now going to, maybe bangs would work for this, but I think they look weird and I can't see. So I am now going to, what hairstyle? Okay, let's try do double buns on this. I do not know how successful this will be. This hair does tangle a little bit, so that is something to bear in mind, but it's all right. I'm going to put this at the front and then take 2 buns on the side. Going to take a hair tie and I will hold the bun just loosely like so. Don't need it to be too tight. I'll do the same thing. This other side, need to figure out how much hair I'm taking. Not that much. When it tangles, I'm not scared to just take a pair of scissors and go in, because it's not that deep. Okay. Do I want that much though? It's too much. Okay, it's enough. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Take a hair tie and tie that. I might twist these. Just get them out of my eyes very loosely. fluff it out a little bit more, and there you go. I'm going to maintain the 2 front bits, and I am just going to get rid of my hair bands, push this a little bit back. That could also be a style, just a little bit of a twist at the front like that. Make sure your hair is nice and fluffed out. It's kind of simple, cute. I like it actually. There we go. This is an accidental hairstyle. I could wear this outside. I could see it. I see it. I see it, girl. With these 2 front bits, I'm going to take my scarf and kind of make sense of it. Ugh, it is so massive. I'm going to take the scarf and I am going to tie a knot at the back. Then I'm going to put that over my hair. Make sure these 2 front bits stay out and the rest of the hair can stay in. Push it as far back as I'd like, and I tighten it just a little bit. There we go. Tighten it a little bit more. That's it. I have a scarf kind of look, and I can just throw those to the back. Could also do a bow at the front actually. So I'm just going to tie a bow. I'm not the best at bows, but you get the idea. Doesn't need to be perfect. Is that a bow? No, but it's okay. Going to fluff out the hair just to make sure she is giving. So I can just have the 2 front braids just like that, and this is a very cute hairstyle. All right, so last hairstyle. I am so happy with my coffee. So last hairstyle is going to be an easy one. I'm going to do a half up, half down. I'm just going to undo the twists at the front, and then I'm going to try and make sense of my life. Okay, so then we're going to hold up, okay? So I'm just going to take as much hair as I can. Try do the same thing on this side without really seeing what I'm doing. I'm going to take this section of hair and hold it up. Just make sure it's kind of even. Okay, as even as you can get it. Then I'll take a hair tie and I will put that in a ponytail. Don't worry if it's looking ratchet at the front, we'll fix it. So I'm going to do 2 loops with this ponytail, just to make sure it's tight enough. There we go. Going to make sure all the hair comes through. Woo. Okay, there we go. Then I'm just going to fix the front, fix those edges. There we go. Once she's looking fixed, just going to make sure that falls right. Okay, girl, I'll see you. This might be my favorite today. I love how cute this is. Look at that. All right, that's it, we're done. This is a hairstyle I'm going to wear for the day. I'm going to go out for a quick lunch date with my friend, and I love this hairstyle. I love this hair. I love it so much. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to be trying this. Let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section down below. But for now, why did I just touch my boobs? Okay. All right, see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.